Hi everyone, so let's look at XRP, Bitcoin, Doge, and Shib USA. Before everything, I need to tell you I'm not a financial advisor in any jurisdiction. I'm not licensed. So this is simply how I trade and what I've been doing. And crypto is very risky. Do your own research. So looking at XRP 1 hour chart. So I did get off at 174, and I know, everybody's saying it's gonna go to $2, but I can always wait a little bit for the pullback. So now it looks like it is on 1 hour stuck at a 9 EMA, and then this is 21 EMA. So now assuming it will go to $2, so how can we evaluate this? And let's see if it corresponds to prognosis from TradingView. Okay, so looks like if this is our fib, and then this level here would be 161. So this would be 21 EMA, which is very important, right? So this area here. So if it does bounces off, pulls back, finds support at this level of 163, or this wherever this EMA is gonna be placed, then of course, in that case, we are definitely going to 183 and 192. But if it does break this 21 EMA, the next one, and I'm talking about 1 hour, the next one is obviously 78.6 fib or 34 EMA. If it breaks that, it comes to 50 EMA. This will be the major pullback, and this is, I'm marking it like this, because if that is the case, if it breaks this level here of 1.55, then we can see a clear pullback. So I'm going to remove this, and let's look at that pullback. So the pullback then is 200 EMA 1.4. And if we look at the daily chart, so on the daily chart, 21 is at 119. So I do prefer daily chart because this was some kind of a obviously a resistance. So I'm talking about 112. And this is 34. So I do have a buy order at $1 actually. And if it bounces, so it all depends where it bounces off. It may just come to 119 and then start bouncing off, pull back, find support, and then I know it's gonna go up. But right now, just after the weekend holiday, when everybody starts trading, then I'm just keeping it at $1. So it might take a week or so, maybe 2 weeks until this happens. But just in case, $1 is good for me. Actually, a perfect entry. Let's just hope it doesn't get all the way there, right? So, of course, possibilities are limitless for XRP. And now when you look at this, so I'm gonna go to my normal chart, where I see the market, right? And this was a buy order here, and this was a bullish, and this is above dotted line. So in case you wonder if this would really be a good buy here. So if we did buy here, our stop loss is at the tip of this icon, and then we are going 1.2 or 1.5 or 2. So I'm going to 1.5, which is this one. So then it seems like it would reach this level of 183. So let's see if that's the case. For example, this one was a sell order, but you can see down here it was not really valid because it was a dark green candle and it was below dotted line. So, and by the way, for this pullback to take place, you are looking at also this green line. So obviously here we are forming some kind of a channel, right? So we can look at it that way as well. So this would be some kind of a channel. I don't know. Doesn't work. Yeah. Okay. So pretty much, if that's the case, then uh, mm, so this does not look like a real channel. So it does show that it uh, will reach this particular level of 19 or 143 in order for this channel to be valid. So obviously at when it touches this line here, ideally it would be a sell, but right now I'm like a chicken, so I'm like, okay, I had enough money. So next buy would be at this level here, probably 1.5 if it doesn't break. So that's enough about XRP. Let's look at BTC. So BTC, this is daily chart. I'm gonna switch to 4-hour chart. So in this 4-hour chart, what is the key? So as always, key is this 942 level, and it just touched it and pulled back. Because of that, it dropped to 0.786. So in case it breaks below, then we are going to the next level. If it breaks above 98,547 on 4-hour chart, well, the next level is finally 101. And of course, it can go to 104, but I'm looking at 101. So I do have sell order of 101, and I do have a buy order at 74. Why 74? So let me remove this. So my 74 is right here, but of course it might not even do that. So it might stop at like 85. But just in case, I just like to have some money, just in case it drops terribly. And here it does look like it's going down, but it's 52% still bullish. And let's look at my crazy chart with all the pivot points and EMAs. So this is 1 hour. So what does it say here? So this on 1 hour, this would be 21 EMA. It's not there. And let's look at 4 hour. So 4 hour is like let me see, it came to here, which is weekly EMA resistance, and now it's forming, so far it's forming this railroad, indicating it's gonna drop, but let's see what happens if this is the case, right? Here it did the same, but it went up. So I don't trust candles. They are like maybe 50% accurate. So I'm looking at these EMAs. So this was a resist EMA level here, and then we have a next one, which is at this level here of 9668. Of course, we do have a weekly pivot and weekly and a daily EMA right here at 95. So this is 4 hours. So let's look at the daily for Bitcoin. It looks messy, but because I trade in between these levels, so okay, so pretty much went down, right? Went up. So let's look at what does this say. So it is right now in the bearish territory, and it is overbought, and now it is bearish. So this is very long term, right? So it might go up, but this will not change for the next week or so, and we can see that it does want to go down. Why? Because this was like a almost bullish formation if it does close above 98. If it does close above 98 on daily, yep, we are going up. But right now, it's almost there. So what am I looking for? Looking for 90, obviously 86, and 80 and 74. So these are the levels that can go down. Of course, it can bounce off of each of these levels, and you will know that because if it reaches here and if it touches it with a wick and then bounces off, pulls back, finds support, then you can buy to the next level. And that's that. Okay, let's look at Doge, whatever. Okay, so this looks like on 1 hour it is above 94.2, which is same as 0.058. And this only means that if this remains above this level, and it's 76% bullish, and here it says 100%, so it's 17 more minutes. There is a possibility for this one to come to 0.44, right? So at 0.44, usually when it comes to 120, 1275, which is 127 fib, then it pulls to 1. So let's see if it bounces off of this level. If it does, then it's going to scroll down to first 41, right? So this would be Doge. And let's see levels. Oh, this is 4 hour. So it looks like it's this Bollinger is turning up, which is so good, and then stochastic is twisting to bullish, which is also super because it's not oversold. This was oversold, that's why it tumbled down. So this one has really places to go, and I'm glad I bought it. I mean, I bought it really high, 4.40. But let's see. So the simple levels, right? So it is breaking this one. It's coming to next one. So then we have a next one and so on. So this looks pretty good to me, so let me fib this one. So from here to here, and we see that we are at 50 right now. It's breaking 50. So 60 will be the key actually. The most important level here is actually this one. But we will see what happens. So I have to lower this fib up to here, but then doesn't matter even if I put it here, so we'll see. The important thing is that it needs to break above 61.8.438, and then it can really go way up. And I am kind of not selling this one yet. So probably it's because everything will go up, so why wouldn't this one go up, right? So if I look at the daily, I see that it is bearish. It is actually bullish, but it is a pullback. So simple pullback, right? So this pullback, but then again, if it really does close above 0.4311, then we can expect it to go even to 0.49, even to 5.5, which would be really good for me, because in that case I would sell, but I'm not gonna sell right now because I still don't have confirmation that it's gonna close above 0.431. Okay, Shib. Okay, so this is daily on this particular. I love this one. Oh my gosh. So what can we say here? Let's see in this all mess. Okay, it is about middle leg of this Bollinger. Okay, it bounced off of 21 EMA, and this is daily. I'm just using daily for this one. It bounced off of 21, which is super, super cool, right? And bounced off of middle leg of this Bollinger, and now sky's the limit, right? I mean, can you imagine this one goes to 0.1? I would be a millionaire. So of course I'm not touching this one yet. It's about to twist bullish, and we'll see. So maybe a little pullback. I don't think so. If it has to break this level of 2640, if that happens, oh, definitely, then we are looking even at even 0.3, and that's about it. Oh, I didn't check gold, right? I'm in it as well. Sell USD. Okay, where is the gold? So this is daily. Oh, it's a terrible mess. Okay, it broke 34. It pulled back and then it broke above. So now it wants to, so it was at 265. So I did say I'm gonna buy at 25 something, and still not there yet. So yeah, of course, it did touch this level here, which is 2669, and now it's pulling back. So the moment it breaks, so 2574 would be really, really good if it can drop so I can buy again. And that's about it. Have fun.